Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. In today's video, we are making a chunky or super chunky crochet cowl. So here I have Knitter's Pride's Jumbo Birch crochet hook. It is 30 millimeters. And this is DHG's wool. It is their giant line of wool yarn, and it's the color shell. Okay, and so I will leave the link to these products in the description box, and I have a pair of scissors. I really don't remember where I purchased these from, so I won't be able to provide a link for that one. And you'll need a tape measure if you want to measure the size. If you want to adjust the circumference of your cowl. Okay, so let's get started. First, you want to work a slip knot. And you want to chain as many chains as you'd like for the size that you want around your neck. Okay, so I'm going to, I actually don't have a pattern, I'm just winging it. So I'm just going to wrap it around my neck once I feel like I have enough chain stitches. Okay, so I wrapped this around my neck and I like the size of it. Let me see how many chain stitches this is. Okay, so I think I'm going to chain 2 more, so I have 19. Okay, so 19. Now you want to join your round, and you want to make sure that your stitches are not twisted. So see how it's twisted right there? So you want to make sure that when you're joining, okay, it's not twisted. So you're going to insert your hook right into the first chain stitch from the beginning and then work a slip stitch. So yarn over, pull it through and through. Okay, so now you want to start your round 1. You want to chain 1 round. Let's use half double crochets. So yarn over and into the same stitch, because the chain 1 does not count as a stitch, so you want to yarn over, insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, so into the next stitch right there, yarn over, right there into the next stitch. Okay, so that was our first. Here's our second. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 3. Okay, so keep working your half double crochets all the way around. Okay, so I worked my last half double crochet in the last stitch, and if you're not sure, count your stitches. I have 19. And then now I'm going to slip stitch to the first half double crochet stitch. Okay, so right here, insert your hook in through both loops here. Okay, that's the first half double crochet. So yarn over, pull through and pull through. Okay, so now you have your first round. For round 2, you're going to do the same thing, chain 1 and work your first half double crochet in the same stitch, and then into the next stitch right there, and then every stitch around work 1 half double crochet. Okay, so I am coming to the end of round 2, so this is my last stitch right here. This was my first stitch here, so I'm going to work 1 last half double crochet. Okay, and then I'm going to work a slip stitch. This is the chain one here, and then that's the first half double crochet. That's where I'm going to slip stitch. Okay, so I think this looks good. I think 1 or 2 more rounds would look better, so let's repeat the last round. Chain 1, 1 half double crochet into every stitch all the way around. Okay, so I am at the end of round 3, working my last half double crochet into the last stitch right here. Okay, and then you want to slip stitch again to the first half double crochet. Okay, so now I think, and it depends on your preference, you can go taller if you like. So I'm going to try and use up this yarn here. So I'm going to go big. Okay, so I'm going to work 4 rounds. Okay, so this is 3. Here's 1, 2, 3. I'm going to repeat the last row again and just work half double crochets all the way around. Okay, so I'm near the end with just a little bit of yarn left. Okay, that was actually my last stitch. Slip stitch to the first half double crochet. Okay, it's about 16 inches, which means it's about 32 in circumference. 31. And it is about 9.5 inches tall. Okay, so I'm going to cut this and just pull it through. And because it's so big, you can just weave it in with your hands. Okay. Okay, I'm going to leave that, and then don't forget to weave in your tail on the inside as well. Okay, this is your beginning tail. So this is the cowl. All right, so if you want it taller, you can go taller, or lower if you like it smaller. Also, if the circumference is too big, you can adjust that as well. Let's see, for my tension, each of these half double crochet stitches are about 2 inches, 1 3/4 inch, or about 2 inches. So you would just adjust the number of chain stitches. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more videos. And if you want the written pattern, please click on the link in the description box.